which says that you will get rebate on land premium. You have 100% exemption from stamp duty. You have 100% exemption from CST and VAT. 100% exemption for 12 years from electricity payment duty. Apart from that, interest subsidy, fixed cost investment subsidy, project report subsidy. For smaller companies, MSME sector, we are giving subsidy on bandwidth. We are giving subsidy on training expenditure. For MSME sector, we are also willing to reimburse the EPF contribution of the employees of the companies. It is 75% for the male and 100% for the female employees. So all in all, we have a very elaborate policy framework, which today is the best in country, I can say with the utmost confidence and conviction. And we have an agency called CHIPS, Chhattisgarh Infotech Promotion Society, which is a single point agency for all electronic and IT related investor, which will give you a seamless experience of dealing with it. We assure you that all clearances would be given to you in 24 hours. We have what is called as State Investment Promotion Board, which gives you a statutory guarantee of what I am telling you. And in this framework, we are trying now to create an ecosystem. We have been doing exceedingly well in core sector, as I shared some data with you. And now we want to showcase Chhattisgarh as the most sought after destination for electronics and IT sector also. The Raipur airport is perhaps the best airport in the non-metro sector. We are very well connected almost everywhere. We are strategically located, having a market of almost 1,50,000 crore in Chhattisgarh and neighboring state. So all in all, it is, and of course we have also a political stability. We have a chief minister who is there for past 11 years. We have a very stable and robust policy framework. Thank you very much.
Sir, you are the last. You're sitting next to me, and that has a price to pay.
Thank you. Thank you.
On my right, that too, because the right is in power now. The left it.
My name is Gopala Pillai. I'm coming from a small state of India called Kerala. Kerala can rightly boast about starting the electronic manufacturing, probably first in India. Way back in 1973, we started the Kerala State Electronics Development Corporation. I started as a junior trainee during 73. Now I become the executive chairman of
With a
Keltron.
PhD.
Yes, thereafter, later on, I did doctorate, but I'm the executive chairman of Keltron. I can be very proud of that. I was recollecting Mr. Radhakrishnan said in the morning with the ISRO, the fabrication with 8 people, with the Keltron name he mentioned. I was excited to hear that. So that is the period which Keltron has embarked on their activities. Thereafter, we know that even the biggest companies like Samsung thought about electronics in 81, LG thought of in 84, and Uptron started in 77, 78. Meltron, they adopted the name of Keltron, these states, 78, 79 probably. It went on. But at the same time, I must say that today, my job is very easy from the various states, whatever facilities and convenience they are providing, Kerala is also providing. I can end with that rather than chewing it again and again, the gum. That's all. So let me leave it like that. At the same time, I must say that there are a lot of public sector, private sector companies already started. SFO Technology, for example, they have taken a big lead in the private sector for this. Certain public sector like HAL, BEL, BIML, they're all started working in this direction. And as far as KINFRA, my organization is concerned, we have been, in principle, our proposal to start an EMC, Electronic Manufacturing Cluster, has been approved recently in Cochin, around 70 acres of land, which we are going to promote in a big way in the days to come. Also, in Cochin, KSIDC, Ampalur, that is 100 acres of land, we are in the acquisition process. The first project is concerned, KINFRA's project is concerned, land is in possession, in principle clearance is given, and we are going to launch it probably in a couple of months' time. And there are many other areas of Keltron. We are offering it for electronic manufacturing cluster, 4 or 5 centers, right from Kannur to Trivandrum. Maybe partially used land, but the land is available, and being Keltron with legacy, probably we can make things to happen. I only wanted to say that, again to quote Mr. Radhakrishnan, he was telling that we can win. He quoted Modi as well as Obama in saying that, with smaller beginnings, we may be able to win everything. I was just want to say that, the emblem of Make in India. I was thinking in the morning when, after listening to him, the emblem is with a lion. The lion's tail is slightly twisted. But what we want is probably a jumping lion with a totally alert tail, then only it can jump. I just wanted to again to say that because I don't want to speak about Kerala. Everybody should come to Kerala.
That's
That
a
is what
Gujarati
we want.
lion.
Yeah, should be. Whether it is Gujarati, Gir forest or whatever, I must say that we would need a jumping lion. I just want to say a Sanskrit slogan, Udyame nahi siddhanti. It is nothing like effort, taking effort, Udyamam. Anything is possible. Pravishanti mukhe mriga. Nothing is impossible. Udyame nahi siddhanti. Karyani na manoratha. By daydreaming, you cannot achieve anything. Karyani na manoratha. By manoratham, you cannot achieve anything. Nahi suptasya simhasya. Pravishanti mukhe mriga. A sleeping lion. Don't think small animals will come before you so that you can catch it as a prey and eat it. The lion has to jump at the prey and catch it. ESDM is an opportunity like a lion. It is in front of us. Let us jump at it and catch it. Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, we go to a very interesting question. 2 more questions, then we'll have a Q&A. I'll start this side. Have you set up specialized marketing teams which can go to ESDM enterprises globally, the large players, because it's a very concentrated industry, and offer them a package deal to come and work in your state? And also, have you created a team which can go to entrepreneurs here and meet them and talk to them and persuade them to come with a package scheme? Do you have this kind of a marketing infrastructure with you right now?
Last January, Karnataka government was kind enough to set up a separate single window clearance system for IT companies. In most states, the single window clearance system, but the kind of procedures that are involved for any other industry, it's much simpler for an IT industry to set up shop. So that was identified by the Karnataka government, and KBITS, the organization which is similar to, I believe, CHIPS, which was mentioned by Chhattisgarh, it's providing such facilities since the last 13-14 years, and it has been made the single window clearance system for this purpose. We are already in the process of setting up a team who will market the present policy to the domestic investors as well as the international investors, to not just lure them in, but show them the logic and show them the ecosystem.
Have you drawn up a list of targets you want to meet? Globally and locally?
The first target that I have in the coming 2 days is to establish and ensure that I have 100 Karnataka established ESDM companies registered, so that I can reach out to them and ensure that they avail for the facilities that are available. The first achievement that we have is a crore of incentive that has been given to Tejas Group itself for R&D incentive grant under the KSDM policy. And I believe that even Government of India took its own time to release the incentive on their part under the MSIPs, but we had them even before that. And there are a couple of other companies which have already gotten in principle approval. And it is through these processes that we ensure that the policy is not there for the namesake, but we ensure that we have adequate number of registrations, and we reach out to them and handhold them to ensure that they get the
Thank you, sir. I'll give it this opportunity.
Yeah. Thank you. So as far as Kerala is concerned, I must admit that we have not started in an organized way the marketing activity. Perhaps today may be a beginning of marketing, even though I said that I don't want to market Kerala, but only national level only I market. I must confess that we start the beginning with today's meeting. At the same time, as Madam has just now mentioned, the KINFRA is the nodal agency, Kerala State Infrastructure Development Corporation, is providing water and power. We have the licensee status in the parks. So we can give water and power in no time, in 10 minutes, 15 minutes, or whatever time, because we have the substations in a few places where our park is established, where we can provide water, power, the basic infrastructure we'll be able to provide. And also in most of the parks, we are the agency for single window clearance. So we convene the meetings once in a month or once in 3 months, convene the meeting of all the agencies, and by the act which has been passed by the state legislature, give clearances. If within 15 or certain
But would you set up marketing team? Because in this industry, you have to go out and sell. You see, single window, policy, incentives is now hygiene. Everybody's got them. The key differentiator will be execution, marketing and execution.
Yes, we are launching our marketing effort quite soon. We are building up a team also. We are in touch with the Taiwan trade representative in Delhi already, and they have given some positive hint on this. Thank you.
Wonderful. Mr. Srinivas?
So I think we are slightly, more in advanced stage this thing as far as your question is concerned. We had a series of teleconferences running into late night with the possible investors. And then this is a kind of wish list we all collect. And then it is all consolidated. The teleconference is generally attended by me, industry secretary, and then also Mr. Vishal, who is he was till the other day was industry secretary. We consolidate all these requests, whoever is the prospective investors, and then we go back to a committee headed by additional chief secretary. Then we decide almost on a weekly basis what are the requests and what is our response, and we communicate back to him. That is the kind of model which we are.
So you have a very focused marketing strategy.
We are always already in touch with both East and West, and our trip has gone. So I would like to use this opportunity, if anybody is willing to come up with this thing, and then we are fairly know what is the facilities which we are offering in India and what their expectations. You please come to us and we discuss, and we are in an advanced stage of closing most of the decisions with these discussions. That's what.
Sir?
Thank you very much. Yeah, we are also building up a very strong marketing team. While we are in the process of doing that, we are taking the help of private sector. We have Ernst & Young working for us. They are helping us in establishing contact and setting up meetings. In fact, our recent policy which came, after that we are paying a very focused attention, and the biggest brand ambassador of our state and chief marketing manager, Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Raman Singh himself is here. He is going to address this August gathering tomorrow morning, and he is also having one-on-one meeting with some of the leading investors. So we are working in a very focused way.
Sir, will you? Hello. Sir, will you charter a jet tomorrow morning or maybe this weekend? Invite everybody in this room, take them to New Raipur, show them everything, call them to in front of the CM and ask them to sign a document, and of course send them back in the same flight back to Bangalore.
Done. Done.
Everybody, not only the ones who sign, but everybody else.
Whosoever is registered with ESD, this body, and whoever they are willing to say, we will hire 1, 2, 3 Boeing or A320 and we'll take them and bring them back.
Now I'm going to ask our friend from Secretary from Maharashtra, the only thing he can offer in return is possibly a dinner with Amitabh Bachchan and all the Bollywood stars to incentivize you. Sir, your turn now.